You probably think your phone is secure, locked with your face, fingerprint, or passcode. But what if someone could access everything on it right now without you knowing? Remote phone hacking is real, and it's happening more than you think. Your phone holds your private conversations, financial info, and location history. When hackers get in, they steal more than data. They steal your identity and peace of mind. These aren't just password guesses, these are silent, sophisticated attacks. You won't know it's happening until it's too late. Your phone is a digital extension of yourself, making it a prime target. Hackers can blackmail, drain accounts, or impersonate you. They can listen to your calls, read your texts, and gather intel for bigger attacks. This isn't just a celebrity problem. Anyone can be targeted. Tools once reserved for governments are now on the dark web. The question isn't if you'll be targeted, but when. Understanding these threats is the first step to protecting yourself. Let's talk about SS7, the backbone of global phone networks. Designed in the 1970s, SS7 was built on trust, not security. Hackers exploit this by tricking the network into thinking your number belongs to them. They intercept your calls and texts, including those crucial two-factor authentication codes. With this, they can reset your passwords and drain your accounts, without you noticing a thing. A German bank attack proved this. Hackers intercepted SMS codes and stole money while victims' phones looked normal. The flaw isn't in your phone or apps, it's in the global network itself. You get no warning, no lag, no notification. Telecoms are slowly upgrading, but SS7 is still widely used. Millions remain vulnerable to this silent, invisible attack. Even the best security measures can be bypassed if the network is compromised. The foundation of mobile communication is at risk, and there's little you can do to stop it on your own. Phishing isn't just sketchy emails anymore, it's highly targeted and convincing. Hackers send texts or emails that look like they're from your bank, a delivery service, or even a friend. The message creates urgency. Your account's compromised, a package is delayed, you've won a prize. Click the link, and you're taken to a fake site that looks real. Enter your info, and hackers have your credentials. Sometimes these sites trick you into installing spyware disguised as a security update. High-profile targets like journalists have been hit with phishing that installs spyware like Pegasus, giving attackers full control. Phishing works because it preys on our instincts: fear, curiosity, urgency. Hackers craft messages to make you act before you think. A text about a missed delivery arrives when you're expecting a package. An email about a payment issue looks legit. Social engineering is powerful because it targets the human, not the tech. Staying vigilant is your best defense. Spyware is invisible software that hides on your phone, gathering everything. It can be installed via phishing, malicious apps, or even zero-click exploits. No action needed from you. Once inside, it logs keystrokes, accesses your mic and camera, tracks your location, and steals files. Even encrypted messages aren't safe. Spyware can capture them before they're protected. The Jeff Bezos case showed how a single file could compromise even the most powerful. Zero-click exploits mean you don't have to do anything to be hacked. Stalkerware is another threat. Installed by someone with brief access to your phone, it lets them monitor everything. These tools are marketed as safety apps but are often used for abuse. The threat isn't always a distant hacker. It could be someone you know. Spyware leaves victims feeling watched and powerless. The most advanced spyware leaves no trace at all. Anyone can be a target regardless of status or tech skills. Awareness is your first line of defense. Feeling paranoid? Good. Awareness is your best defense. Now you know the threats, network flaws, phishing, spyware. You can take action. Keep your phone and apps updated. Updates patch security holes. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication, preferably with an authenticator app, not SMS. Be skeptical of unsolicited messages and links. Only install trusted apps and check their permissions. Watch for signs of compromise, fast battery drain, overheating, strange account activity. But remember, the most dangerous spyware leaves no clues. Protecting your digital life is ongoing. Threats evolve, so must your defenses. High-risk individuals should seek expert help. Cybersecurity pros can secure your devices and digital footprint. Your phone is your life in your pocket. Protect it. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take action. Don't wait until it's too late.